Lock the doors.
Lock the doors!
Members, the question is that the motion be agreed to. The ayes will go to the right, the noes to the left, abstentions will come to the table. Order, members. The order. The ayes are 61. The noes are 59. The ayes have it.
New Zealand International Convention Centre Bill, first reading.
Unlock the doors.
Unlock the doors!
Members, the question is that the New Zealand International Convention Centre Bill be considered by the Commerce Committee. Those of that opinion will say aye. Aye. To the contrary, no. No. The ayes have it. A party vote? No. I've already ruled that these are procedural matters and a party vote. Someone's asked for a party vote and we will have a party vote. So I'll ask the clerk to conduct a party vote.
New Zealand National.
59 votes in favour.
New Zealand Labour.
33 votes opposed.
Green Party.
14 votes opposed.
New Zealand First.
7 votes opposed.
Māori Party.
Tokotoru e whakaheana.
Mana. ACT New Zealand.
Favour.
Honourable Peter Dunn. Brendan Horan.
1 vote opposed.
Members, the ayes are 61, the noes are 59. The motion is agreed to. The Honourable Simon Bridges.
I move that the New Zealand International Convention Centre Bill be reported to the House by 14 November 2013.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. The Honourable Trevor Mallard.
Mr Speaker, I move an amendment to that motion to replace the word November with the word December. Mr Speaker, this is an attempt by the government to shorten the process in this area and to get this bill through before Christmas. And Mr Speaker, the people of New Zealand deserve to have the full 6 months at a select committee period in order to have proper debate, proper submissions and proper discussion on this. The attempt by the National Party to ram this legislation through is, in my opinion, Mr Speaker, something which is shameful, and it is caused by their embarrassment. Mr Speaker, this is a matter that the House needs to consider really carefully. It is a matter where I am sure thousands of New Zealanders will want to properly prepare submissions. We do not want to have a rushed period for those submissions. We want people to prepare them properly, to have them lodged for the select committee to work its way, albeit the wrong select committee, but the House has decided on that, the select committee to move its way around the country and, Mr Speaker, for there to be proper opportunity for that to happen. Mr Speaker, what has happened in the past on some of this legislation, and I know that my colleague Mr Flavel knows that on his legislation there were a lot of people who wanted to be heard and wanted to be heard more extensively that were not able to be heard because of the timeframes put on the committee and especially from the leadership of the chair of the Commerce Committee. And I do want to say, Mr Speaker, that I think it is vital that there be an adequate time frame for this discussion to occur at the committee. And Mr Speaker, while members opposite might argue as we go forward that there's been a lot of notice around about the possibility of this and time for people to prepare their submissions, the point that I would make is that it's as recently as Monday as some of the information was made publicly available, and it's my understanding, Mr Speaker.
I refer the member to Standing Order 286, While a member may move an amendment, there is no debate on the question of amendment. So I'm going to put the question. The question is that the amendment in the name of the Honourable Trevor Mallard be agreed to. Those of that opinion will say aye. Aye. To the contrary, no. The noes have it. Party votes called for. Ask the clerk for a party vote.
New Zealand National.
59 votes opposed.
New Zealand Labour.
33 votes opposed.
Order, please. Look, we're conducting a vote and it's done in silence. I'll ask the clerk to continue.
Green Party.
14 votes in favour.
New Zealand First.
7 votes in favour.
Māori Party.
Tokorua e whakaiatu ana.
Mana. Act New Zealand. Honourable Peter Dunn.
1 vote against.
Brendan Horan.
1 vote in favour.
Any other votes?
Members, the ayes are 58, the noes are 61. The amendment is not agreed to. The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those of that opinion will say aye. Aye. For the contrary, no. The ayes have it. Party votes called for. Ask the clerk for a party vote.
New Zealand National.
59 votes in favour.
New Zealand Labour.
33 votes opposed.
Green Party.
14 votes opposed.
New Zealand First.
7 votes opposed.
Māori Party.
Tokorua e whakahe ana.
Mana.
1 vote opposed.
Act New Zealand.
1 vote in favour.
Honourable Peter Dunn.
Vote in favour.
Brendan Horan.
1 vote opposed.
Any other votes?
Members, the ayes are 61, the noes are 58. The motion is agreed to. Call on Government Order of the Day number 2.
Psychoactive